Today I have Jada with me. We're gonna make coconut ice cream. We just gonna use only like 5 ingredients. Let's get started. So we have here, we have coconut milk, we have sugar, and what is this?
Cornstarch,
And then
vanilla extract, and salt.
yes. Let's get started. It's gonna be fun. So first of all, we're gonna put everything mixed together. So we're gonna put in coconut first. Okay, you can put coconut milk in. And then we're gonna add sugar. And
Salt,
go ahead, salt,
vanilla,
and
cornstarch.
smells good already, right? You can smell coconut.
Yeah.
And then stir it together. After we mix everything together very well, and the sugar and everything is already dissolved, so we are ready to turn on the stove. So we're just gonna turn for like medium heat and keep stirring until the coconut milk is bubbling, which means like it's already done. So we're just gonna keep stirring. Now it should be good because it's boiling now. See? See all the bubble that coming up? It means that it's already done. So now we can turn off the stove. After you turn off, you just move this to here. And then we just gonna cool this thing down before you put it in the refrigerator. So we just transfer from this pot into the 2 containers, and then we're gonna close it up and then put it into the freezer. Okay, so after 3 hours, we just take it out from the refrigerator and we're just gonna stir it really fast. For both of them, and then we're gonna take it back to the freezer. It looks really good. Okay, and then we're just gonna put it back to the freezer. Good morning, everyone. So this is the next day after we put it into the freezer. So let it sit overnight, and then good morning, Jada.
Good morning.
So we already have it out for about like 5 minutes. We should be good to scoop it out. Would you like to try?
Sure.
Do you know how to scoop it?
Yeah. It's hard.
No, it's not that way. Yeah, see?
Yeah.
Give you the big one.
Yeah.
So now we have the ice cream scoop out. We put some of the peanut in it. And now it's ready. You wanna try?
Sure.
How is it?
Really good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it a success?
Yeah.
It's easy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now you can make it with your mommy.
Yeah.
If you like the clip, don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Mahalo for Maui. Bye-bye.